Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome aboard. Once you have located your seat, we ask that you please step out of the aisle so the passengers behind you can pass you. This will expedite our boarding process. Ladies and gentlemen, in preparation for departure, please check to see that your seatbelts are securely fastened, your window shades are open, seat backs are in the upright and locked position, your tray tables have been put away, all your carry-on items are securely stowed. Underneath the seat in front of you, not blocking yours or your neighbor's exit to the main aisle. All electronic devices, anything with an on and off switch, needs to be powered off, and that includes cellular phones. Thank you.
Good morning, guys. Welcome to Austria. Today is the first day of our holiday, and we decided to go for a walk. Hike, more or less. Right, Nina?
Uh-huh.
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 So yeah, here is the other part of the team. And that, just around the corner there, is our house that we're staying in. So yeah, we are getting there. Well, looking at this mountain, roughly halfway there, I think. So yeah, let's see what we find and see what good things we come across.
Wat wil je daarvan met dit verhaal? Je mag elkaar best aanraken hoor, dat sta ik niet. Oh, sta jij dat toe? Hello!
Hello what?
Hallo!
Hello to what, huh? Hello to what?
Dat is je vriendin, zeg maar.
Look who's trying to get his muffin topping off, huh?
I don't have any muffin toppings. Beep!
Dat is 15 voor. Ja, die had je bij de uitlaat. Zo lang de lounge. Mountain party!
Random flash mob.
Random dancing!
Boots with the fur, and the fools looking at her.
Worden we nou gefilmd?
Ja. Low, low. Shopping cart.
Shopping cart.
Even the butterfly likes the cookies.
Mag ik van jou voor iets maken straks?
Ik hou van jou. Lekker ding. Ze zijn allemaal bewogen.
berghout gewoon op daar.